a scale, a punch, a pencil, and some waste ribbon. We'll first take the paper. Here we've taken a larger size paper which is painted blue, but you can also use an A4 size paper or card paper. Let's flip it over and first fold it into half. Like this. We then open it back out and fold back the two edges into the center. Taking care not to press too hard or we may end up tearing the paper. Fold it over and press well. When you open the paper out, this is what it should look like. 3 creases and 4 parts. Let's turn it over, and now it's time to fold the paper into 3 parts lengthways. Approximately, let's try and see that we can fold the paper lengthways into 3 parts. That's 1 fold, and this is the second fold. If you see, I haven't exactly touched the edges, and that's absolutely fine if it doesn't happen. When you open the paper out, this is what it should look like. 4, 4 and 4 parts. Now first taking the pencil, on the bottom part of the folds, we will make a dot at the intersection of the second and the third fold. We then number these 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now above box 2 and box 4, we move up to the top layer of the boxes, and approximately at the center of the second box, we make a small dot. And we do the similar thing at the top of the fourth box. Now taking our scale and marking the edges of the intersections, we draw a light line in the shape of a triangle in both the second and the fourth box. From the edge of one intersection up to the edge of the paper. At the end of it, your sheet should look somewhat like this. I'm slowly going to take the scissor and make a straight cut up to the point that we marked earlier. At the end of all of this is what your paper should look like. Above box 2 and 4, you have your 2 triangles. Our gift box. If you remember the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 at the bottom, this is going to be super easy. We lift this part of the paper and make it stand partially on the base of the paper and carefully move number 2 upon flap number 1. At this point, it should give you a shape like this. Take some glue. I'm using Fevicol here, but you can go ahead and use any kind of glue stick. Put a little Fevicol or glue stick on the edges. Remember, if you're using glue stick, to go across all 3 corners of the paper because it has a little less adhesive power compared to Fevicol. We move 2 over 1 like this and paste gently. It's been about 30-35 seconds. This is completely dried out. If you see, I can't pull it over. Now we'll slowly fold this into half on the lengthways. This is a small fix to close the open edge of our gift box here. Again, with some glue magic, this time we'll be putting glue on the front side or the colored side of the paper, which matches the outside of your box. Thank you for watching. Since coronavirus is keeping us all indoors, we thought and we were inspired to start this channel, Qwork of Art. For the next week, we will continue posting one new video every day and we hope to have you with us. So if you like the video, actually hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned.